What is going on? It is the Obscurist Tourist, and today I come to you from Twentynine Palms, California, just outside of Joshua Tree. I rented a wonderful house with 5 of my closest friends for my birthday. Don't ask how old I am. Just don't. This place is amazing, very remote. There's only a few houses around me and a whole lot of land, a whole lot of rocks, and a whole lot of sand. This is God's country. This place is amazing. I'm gonna show you around. There is a pool, there is a hot tub, there are 3 bedrooms, there are various other things to do, lots of hiking. There are over 14 acres of private property here for me to explore. And if I don't want to explore this, I can go into Joshua Tree, but I'm here. For now, let's take a look at the Black Star Oasis here in Twentynine Palms. Well, let's head on inside and show you around this house. There I am. Hello. Look at this. Amazing. More than enough room for 6 people. I believe there is the opportunity to sleep 8 here, but we are only 6. 6 is more than enough, but this is the pièce de résistance here at the Black Star. Look at this view from the front deck. What? Get out of here. How amazing is that? And just right over these mountains here is Joshua Tree, hidden right inside a whole other world. We got some giant couches and an even more giant television. Gotta be about 70 inches, maybe bigger. I'm not a huge television guy, so I'm not really sure the size of that. Little cactus poking out the window right there. Love it. Got some games here, look at this. We got a little Bob Ross, The Art of Chill game. No idea what that's about. Looks pretty fun though. And of course a classic, Monopoly. Everything you could ever want. A chill night in. Take a peek inside bedroom 1. Beautiful. Again, go right on over here and check out the view from this bedroom. Look at that. That's amazing. And take a peek at bedroom number 2 here. Again, this one comes with a bathroom. The previous one did not have a bathroom. And here's a view similar to bedroom 1 because it faces the same side. Equally as gorgeous. Just one queen size bed in here though. And here's my bedroom. This is a California king size bed. Little unkempt. Slept in it last night. Let's look at the views. Some interesting artwork. And look Look at this view. Just gorgeous. Awesome. And I'll take you to the other window for another view. Look at this. What? Little palm over there. Some teddy bear cholas. We'll head on out and take a look at the pool, the barbecue area, and the hot tub in a sec. But it's a giant place. Pretty awesome. And I need to show you this. This bathroom is pretty interesting. It's pretty massive. 2 sinks. And here's the weirdest part of it. I don't know if this is romantic or not, but 2 facing showers. 1 shower there and 1 shower there. Is that romantic? I'm not sure. It's a little weird, but... And this is a look at the last bathroom in the place. Normal bathroom. Giant shower. And back to the kitchen. Kind of a circular little thing here at the Black Star. Kind of get a better overview of the kitchen, just how massive it is. Again, more than enough space for 6 people. When you drive up that dirt road to the Black Star Oasis, you are greeted by this friendly little face overlooking your journey. Just gorgeous. Barbecue area. Haven't really utilized this too much at all. One regret I have, having stayed here for the entire week. Love all these desert cacti strewn around the property in their natural habitat. Very cool. This is one of 2 outdoor fire pits. This one is powered solely by wood. You can see in the background you've got the pool and the hot tub and a nice little rocky, not quite a mountain, but a little rock hill. Very cute. Beautiful Ocotillo overlooking the property. And this is the 2nd fire pit. This one powered by propane. So if you don't want to buy wood, you just use the propane and chill out your worries goodbye. This place is absolutely incredible. The views, the solitude, the house, immaculate. One of the best places I've ever rented while on holiday. Gonna head on up and show you the pool area. You can see on the way there is there's a little shower, outdoor shower. You can become one with nature right after taking a quick dip. Just a little walk up here past the palm tree on the side. Here we go. I'm gonna open this up, show you the pool. Very cool. Look at this. How cool is this? And the views. Brilliant. Some pool rules. Always important, no glass. Then just on the other side of the pool is the hot tub, one of the hottest commodities here at the Black Star Oasis. All closed up right now, but you can just imagine the views we've had all week. Stargazing from this little platform, absolutely magical. I really hope you enjoyed my little tour of the Black Star Oasis. We're calling it a resort. I'm calling it a house with some added property. Whatever you want to call it, it's pretty amazing. And it's getting hot, so I'm going to call it. This is the Obscurist saying, so long, take care of yourselves, stay hydrated so you can stay beautiful. And until our next desert adventure. See you later. So we were supposed to start a hike today. Actually, not a hike, just go into Palm Springs proper, explore the town. And unluckily and luckily, I'll get into that, but I woke up, we were just about to leave, and look at this, flat tire. Can't go anywhere on that. My friends, this is the lucky part, had rented another car. As I said, nearly impossible to get out here. And they drove into town, and I'm gonna wait for the tow truck guy to tow this back to Palm Springs Airport. I'm gonna try and get another vehicle. I mean, I'm alone, but I love it. Gives me some time alone. Traveling with 5 friends can be quite something, especially even if you're good friends. There he is. The man or woman, not sure, who is coming to save me today. Tow truck, been waiting over 2 hours for this. Coming slowly but surely. Love it. There he is, Mr. Tow Truck. Love it. Love it. Had to take a 2-hour ride into Palm Springs to get a new van. Here's the new van. No flat tires. Had to ride with a tow truck driver. Pretty awkward, but also pretty neat.